So this is our art collab with Hannah Buechler, and she is known for her mixed media art, digital, print, paint, all kinds. And I just fell in love with this piece of art, and I knew that I wanted it to be on a candle. And so here you have our gift box that all of our candles come in. Here's the match striker on the box, so that when you open up your drawer, you can take the foam out and then you can continue to use this drawer forever. It has hardware on the drawer box so that it can blend in seamlessly with your home decor. And I just kept getting frustrated about all this beautiful packaging that these products come in, and then there was nothing I could do with them. Like the foam didn't come out. It really frustrated me. So I knew I wanted to create sustainability and create an experience with my product, but I wanted the customer to be able to use every inch of this product. So when you open up the drawer box, you get a little write-up about the artist and a little bit of mood board about what inspired this piece of art. And then you get the candle, which is completely wrapped in the artwork. And what I love about it is that it's one with the glass. So you can throw this in the dishwasher when you're done with it. You can use it as an outdoor candle. You can use it as a cup. It's completely waterproof. There's really no label on it. It's seamless. And then our candle lid pops off, and then it fits into the bottom. I developed it for 2 years to get this lid to pop into the bottom of the candle, so that, again, you utilize the candle lid instead of just sitting there. It actually became something that can make your candle better. And I just absolutely love the shape of this. I think it's now a piece of home decor in your home. And then with every candle you get a complimentary matches jars. And so they'll come with our 3-inch matches that you use to then strike on the gift box to light your candle. And so all of our matches jars are inspired by old school perfume bottles. And then as a set, they look super cute together with the shapes, and then they also work individually separately. So again, all these products work individually. So then you just pop out the foam when you're done. And it's an empty drawer that you can slide back in. And the reason why I did a drawer is because I wanted you to, again, be able to use this as a stand and not have to take things off to get into the drawer. Like, you know, when you have to open things up, really annoyed me. So I really thought of all the ways that the consumer really lives, because I am a consumer and I know the things that bothered me when I purchased candles and luxury items. And, you know, the reason why we didn't put the match striker on the jar was because I wanted all of our products to live past its initial use. Again, the candle, once it's done, pop it in the dishwasher. It could become a cool glass. It could be an outdoor candle, pencil holder, whatever you want it to be, or just plain for decor. Bathrooms, you know, cotton balls, and then these could be Q-tips. So I didn't want it to have the matches jar striker on there. I wanted it to essentially, our products are home decor, and I wanted everything to be beautifully, could stand alone. So that is our mixed media art collab with Hannah Buechler. Again, it's a limited edition, so once we sell out of the art collab, we never have it again. So it's a great way to own like a piece of a one of one, and it's owning a piece of art from an up and coming artist. And every percentage of sales, like every sale, an artist gets a percentage of. So it's a great way to give back to artists. It's getting art at an obtainable price, where sometimes art can be a luxury price tag. And I wanted to provide you with daily moments of inspiration and just happiness and creativity. And I wanted you to light your candle and maybe go paint or write or get to work or whatever it is that you're passionate about, and wanted to strike creativity and create those moments of daily inspiration.